The world today is exciting, but it's also uncertain. Distractions, expectations, pressure to choose one path, one future, one version of yourself. Until I found a place where I could hear myself, UPES, where I replace doubts with questions. I get to work on ideas, turn concepts into real projects, and learn what it takes to build something meaningful. Nature becomes my classroom. The environment shapes how I learn and grow. We work with the community, understand real challenges, build real solutions, not only become better professionals, but also better humans. Here, we don't just learn what to do, we learn how to live. That's why when I build ideas, they're grounded in the real world.